Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to find and connect a broker on MetaTrader 5 using your mobile phone. So if you're new to MT5 or just want to set up your account properly, follow along step by step. All right, let's dive in. First, open your MetaTrader 5 app on your phone. If you don't have it yet, just go to the App Store or Google Play Store and download it. It's free. Once the app is open, look at the bottom left corner and tap Quotes. This will take you to a page showing different assets. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. This opens a menu. Here, tap on Manage Accounts at the top. Now, tap the plus icon in the top right corner. This will take you to the search page where you can find your broker. In the search bar, type the name of your broker. For example, if you're using Exness, just type Exness and it will show up in the results. Here's an important step. You'll see different servers listed for your broker. You need to select the correct server for your account. To find this, check your broker account details. Once you know your server, tap on it. Now you'll see the login page. Enter your account number and password, make sure the server is correct, and then tap Login. And that's it. You're now connected to your broker on MT5 using your mobile phone. This same process works for any broker, so you can follow these steps no matter which one you use.